Now, once we have done the labels as categories and we have sorted all the categories over here, next I will be going in D1 and I'll be typing by categories. Now, what is the use of this particular by categories? I require to see how much amount I am spending and on what activities. So, in order to just make a very systematic budget, I will be putting a column called as by categories, and the first it is restaurant. So you can copy restaurant from here. After restaurant, you will be able to see rent. So I'll be copying rent, and then I am spending a huge amount of money on entertainment, shopping, restaurant. Then I'll be typing school. Then over here, I am able to see car. Sorry, it was car over here. So I'll be copying car and then again shopping. And then, yes, a major amount goes in utilities. Then again, car, utilities, utilities. And last, it is others. Done. So now I require to calculate how much amount I am just spending in restaurant. So first, in order to put a formula, I'll make use of which sign? Equal to sign. Now see where restaurants are there. So restaurants are there over here. So I'll be clicking the cell. Then click on the plus cell. Again, restaurant is over there. Click the cell. Scroll down where you are able to see the restaurant over here. Yes. First, second, then put a plus sign. Then slowly scroll down. Yes, it is restaurant. Then again a plus sign. Shopping, utilities, utilities. I think restaurant is done. So only on 3 particular places I was able to see restaurant. So I have added all the amount that I am spending in restaurant. Now for rent. Again equal to, I'm able to see rent only on one particular place. Is there any other rent? No, I'm not able to see rent. Press enter. Done. Just cross verify. Yes, rent is perfect. Then it's entertainment. Again equal to, entertainment is over here. How much amount I'm spending in entertainment? First it is D12, then sorry D16, then plus. Again entertainment, it is not there, so only one particular part is there for entertainment. Then shopping, again equal to, where shopping is there, first it is there on D17, selected D17, then plus. We have to see again shopping is there. Yes, shopping is there. So second shopping came over there. And then no more shopping over here. So only 2 rows contain shopping. Then it's school. Again from the top, see where school is there. Restaurant, restaurant, rent, school where it is. Yes, over here school is there. Selecting school. Just cross verify yourself. Is there any other school? No. So now equal to. The next is car. The first car I am able to see over here is this, selected, plus sign. The next car plus. Any other? No. So just enter. Utilities. Again equal to, where I am able to see utilities first. First utility I am able to see over here. That is D25, then plus sign. D27, then plus sign. D28. Scroll down. No other. Done. And then equal to others. What are others over here? It is first this particular part, that is hair cutting, plus. Scroll down if you are able to see. No, I'm only able to see one. So in this particular manner, I have categorized the amount that I'm spending for each of this particular categories: restaurant, rent, entertainment, and this addressing is called as relative addressing. So we are making use of relative addressing in order to add the amount that I'm spending over here. Now, just in order to cross verify yourself, see what is the sum over here, 755.54, and the expense 755.54. That means all my headings are, I have taken correctly, hence the total matches.